If you are looking for a customer support platform to manage tickets, automate responses, and improve customer service, you have probably come across Freshdesk. In this review, I will cover its key features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Freshdesk? Freshdesk is a cloud-based customer support software developed by Freshworks. It helps businesses manage customer inquiries from multiple channels including email, live chat, phone, social media, and websites, all from one dashboard. Key features: omni-channel support. Freshdesk allows you to handle customer conversations from different channels in a single inbox, making support management much easier. Ticket management. Every customer inquiry is converted into a ticket that can be assigned, prioritized, tracked, and resolved efficiently. Automation tools. You can automate repetitive tasks such as ticket assignments, follow up emails, and status updates, saving time for support teams. Knowledge base. Businesses can create self service help centers where customers can find answers without contacting support agents. Reporting and analytics. Freshdesk provides detailed reports on agent performance, response times, customer satisfaction, and ticket trends. AI powered assistance. The platform includes AI features that help categorize tickets, suggest responses, and improve support efficiency. Pros: user friendly interface that is easy to learn, supports multiple communication channels, powerful automation capabilities, scalable for small businesses and large enterprises, offers a free plan for small teams. Cons: advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans, some automation tools can take time to configure, pricing may become expensive as your team grows. Pricing: Freshdesk offers a free plan with basic features, while paid plans unlock advanced automation, analytics, AI tools, and enhanced customization options. Who should use Freshdesk? Freshdesk is ideal for small businesses, startups, e commerce stores, and growing companies that need a centralized customer support solution without a steep learning curve. Final verdict: Freshdesk remains one of the most reliable customer support platforms available in 2026. It combines ease of use, strong automation features, and omni channel support in a single package. While some advanced features require paid plans, it's still an excellent choice for businesses looking to improve customer service and streamline support operations. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.